Wagwan guys, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do these knotless braids that you can do at home. It doesn't take much, so if you want to see the rest of the video, go ahead and like, share, comment and subscribe. And don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. Yes guys, enjoy the rest of the video. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to achieve your own knotless box braid hairstyle. So I have this here in for the past about 3 weeks, the most, and I just decided that I wanted to show you how to achieve this look. So I just went in and I took 2 of these braids down, and I'm going to do them back just to show you how to achieve this look, and you can achieve them on your own. Alright, first things first, you're gonna ensure that your braids are split, or the weave is split into 3 pieces. As you go in, you're gonna feed the hair in, and I'll show you how to do that in just a sec. And all you'll be needing is a comb and your wax, your edge control, whatever edge control you wanna use, and yes, you can just go in and do it. Now you want to ensure that the part is clean. Then I'm gonna go in with the wax. You're gonna brush it in, you're gonna put it at the root, and I'm gonna repart it. After you've done that, you're gonna repart the hair just to make sure that it's clean enough. Then you're gonna grab, you wanna ensure that your hair is ready and you don't want it to be tangling with anything. So what you're gonna do, guys, you're gonna grab the hair, you're gonna split it into 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3. You're gonna stick this finger through here, just like you're almost about to start plaiting. You're gonna grab the final piece of braid in here. Then you're gonna put it under here. You're gonna use this piece of the hair with this piece of the hair. Put the 2 of them together, and then you're gonna start braid 1 and 2. Up there, you're gonna grab the next piece of hair. Grab the next piece of hair. You're gonna put this under here. You're gonna put this piece with this piece again, and you're gonna start braiding. Then you're gonna grab the next piece and you're gonna put it under here and braid. And here we have it. And as you go down, you can remove the finger from that position.
gonna move on to the next one right here, and now we're gonna go through detail again just for demonstration purposes. So we're gonna add the edge control to the root of your hair. Then we're gonna divide the hair into 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3. Now we want to ensure that our hair is ready. You want to split your hair in 3 pieces. Then you're gonna grab the first piece of hair, but first you have to loop your finger, putting your index finger through the 3 pieces of hair. Then we're gonna grab the first piece of hair. Now we're gonna put it under, add it to your hair, plait for 2, 1 and 2. Detangle the hair. Now we're gonna detangle this piece and we're gonna add it to the hair also. Loop it under and flip it over if you have to. If it's getting in the way, you just continue plaiting it. Always remember to plait for 2. Here we go, last one. Under, attach it to the rest of the hair, and we're gonna plait for 2. Here we go, 1 and 2. Then we're gonna finish plaiting out the rest of this hair.
Knotless braids all done. Well, not all done because I still have to plait this hair out, but you can have a look. I'm gonna lay these baby edges, baby hair when I'm finished. Yeah, and there you have it, a full head of knotless braids. Alright guys, so if you like this type of video, go ahead and like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll do more of these videos. Yeah, stay tuned.